So today we will study about the meaning of evolution. So what is mean by evolution? Now we will see. The evolution is the change in the inherited characteristic of biological first population over successive generations. Evolutionary process gives rise to diversity at every level of biological organization, including species, individual organisms, and molecules such as DNA and proteins. Evolution, descent with modification. Evolution means change over time. Evolution can also be defined more narrowly as a change in the genetic composition of a population from generation to generation. Evolution on Earth. Formation of amino acid, Miller's experiment, process of evolution. So this is the cold water and this is the water droplet, condensers, electrodes, gases, methane, Ni, H2O and H2, vacuum, then stopcock for taking sample, water, then heat and it converted into water vapor. Genes and chromosome. The complex double-stranded helical molecules of deoxyribonucleic acid DNA called chromosomes are found in cell of organism. Specific segment of DNA are the basic units of hereditary genes. The number of chromosomes varies from one species to another. Fruit flies 8 and human 46. Horses have the chromosome 64. Theories of organic evolution. Historically, three theories: Lamarck theory of evolution, Darwin theory of evolution, de Vries mutation theory of evolution. The view of most modern biologists combine the second and third. No evidence of the first theory, that of Lamarck's use and disuse theory. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck in 1744 to 1829, French geologist and naturalist, published the Philosophie zoologique in 1809. Speculated about mechanism of biological evolution, offered no evidence. In 1809, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck hypothesized that the simple organism emerged spontaneously and evolved to greater complexity. Principle to his theory: organisms constantly strive to improve themselves. Most use body structure develop and unused waste away. Use and disuse. A structure is modified by use or disuse. The modification is inherited to the offspring. Inheritance of the acquired character. The structural variations are due to the functional needs to use or disuse. Use of structure increase its size. Failure to use it decrease its size. This variation now referred to as acquired characteristics as inherited. There is no supporting evidence in modern biology to support Lamarck's idea. So Lamarck's giraffes. According to Lamarck theory of inheritance of acquired characteristics, this is the original short neck ancestor, keeping stretching neck to reach leaves higher up on tree and stretching until neck become progressively longer. Long neck descendant after many generations. Charles Darwin, the theory of natural selection. His theory was effectively presented to the world in 1859 when his book The Origin of Species was published. The Darwin theory rests on 5 principles. Principles of Darwin theory: overproduction. All species have a tendency and the potential to increase at a geometric rate. All organisms produce more organisms, but only a few survive. Competition. Due to environmental pressure, the organism within a population must compete with each other to survive. Variation. Individuals in a population vary greatly in their characteristics. Adaptation. Individuals who best adapt to the environment are the ones who will most likely survive. Natural selection. Individuals having favorable traits will produce more offspring, and those with unfavorable traits will produce fewer offspring. Speciation. The process in which the new genetically distinct species evolve, usually as a result of genetic isolation from the main population. De Vries mutation theory. His experiment was on evening primos. Mutation form raw material for evolution. It suddenly appears. Single mutation may produce new species. Modern synthesis theory. Important point of modern evolution theory: all evolutionary phenomena can be explained in a way consistent with known genetic mechanism. Evolution is gradual. Small genetic change regulated by natural selection accumulated over a long period. Discontinuity amongst the species are explained as a originating gradually through geographical separation and extinction. Natural selection is by far the main mechanism of change. Thinking in terms of population rather than individuals is a primary. The genetic diversity existing in natural population is a key factor in evolution. Thank you.